Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Dispatch XL. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex Nanocoat over the paint to make sure no tree-sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar comes in the Enterprise trim level and it's in the long wheelbase configuration, or as Citroen calls it, XL. Comes with electrically adjustable heated mirrors, twin sliding doors, so one for each side. At the back, you have barn-style opening doors and parking sensors fitted over the rear bumper. While over to the curbside, you have the other sliding door, the fuel port here on the rear wing, and the AdBlue port is hidden behind the passenger door. Let's take a look into the cargo area. In the back, you have ply lining over the side panels, sliding door and rear doors, full metal bulkhead and lighting fixtures. Size-wise, it's 124 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 132 centimeters of height to the lowest point, and then an extensive 272 centimeters of fully usable floor space. Over the floor, you also have 8 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat in onyx black fabric with contrast charcoal inserts, and then a 2-seat bench with adjustable headrests for the passengers. As part of the Enterprise trim level, it's also fitted with a passenger airbag, but you still have a lockable glove box compartment and one more storage solution on top of the main dashboard. The vehicle is fitted with 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer in the typical Citroen design. And then you have a steering wheel with 3 spokes, which is adjustable in depth and height. Over the left-hand side, you have the commands for the lighting and cruise control, while over to the right-hand side, you have a stalk for the wipers and the infotainment controls. Over the driver armrest, you can find the power windows and power mirror controls. And over to the center, you have the infotainment unit, which is a Citroen NAC, fitted with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink capability for phones like Huawei's and Xiaomi. And then you also have a DAB radio with RDS fallback. Just underneath, you have all the controls for the air conditioning, plus the toggle for the heated mirrors, and 2 more toggles, one for the center locking unit and one to lock just the back of the vehicle, and then a 12-volt and a USB Type-A. Over here you have a really useful parcel shelf, especially useful if you want to use your phone connected to the USB to screen mirror it on the main infotainment. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Dispatch XL panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.